And this is what we drove. I drove the big truck and pulled our car. So that was it. That was that part. And then there's our cabin. There's Brenda sitting up there with our puppies. Well, Charlie and Lovey. And then there's her truck. She did a great job driving the truck. She was kind of concerned. It's kind of big. I can understand. And then, let's see. The funny thing is, this is a Cadillac, right? So, I'm gonna open it up and show you what we do. If you have to make sure you bring your chickens. And no matter where they have to go, you bring them. See? Because they're an important part of a homestead. You guys can keep them food and water, and they will produce eggs forever. And more chickens. All right. Let's go up here, have a little quick chat. And we're just gonna pan around and you can see we are here. Look how beautiful it is. It is absolutely, of course that's corn. I believe that's cow corn.
The corn got tall. It got tall fast.
This is our property and goes straight back that way. We have 5 acres. And we're going to have some little hidey-hoes back there in the woods. Back there in the woods. All right. That's it. We have arrived. See you later.